It's the 24th of November. Today's effort is to replace one of the frames with the broken wax that we took from the other one. Just get a little film of the entrance. Get rid of that wood. Get rid of this wood. Okay, so the top is off. I'm not going to disturb them too much today. All I want to do is remove one piece that hopefully hasn't been built on too much. There we go. Let's have a look what's going on in there. Lots of bees. Alright, now let's get this one out. Pop it there. That. Okay, so I didn't kind of show you that. Let's do it again. So, oh, look at that. I've only just put that in. Look at the bees all over it. They're loving that. That's awesome. Okay. There we go. Okay, they're in. Just tighten up those gaps a bit. Cover that up. Still filming. This part of the hole is pretty good. Cover that up. The lid goes back on and then we're done. That's cool. We'll check that in a couple of weeks. I'll leave them alone now. Till next time. Actually, let's get some at the front. That's more like it. So someone asked me about this window. Let's have a look. Very cool.